Sometimes you just want to change something. Your bedroom feels dull, outdated, but you don't want dust, paint, construction noise. And sometimes you simply can't renovate because it's too expensive. But what if change didn't require destruction? What if you could wrap your walls, furniture, or closet in something warm, textured, in just one day? With Bodaq's interior self-adhesive film, you don't need a full renovation to feel at home again. Choose from over 450 high-end textures, from rich woods and soft fabrics to elegant marble and leather. They don't just look real, they feel real. Bodaq is easy to install, easy to clean, and it's built to last for years. The film is Class A fire-rated, 100% waterproof, and anti-fungal. It's ideal for both commercial and residential spaces. Whether you're refreshing a bedroom at home or upgrading dozens of hotel rooms, explore our before and after transformations and see how Bodaq can change everything. Bodaq helps you bring warmth, style, and comfort into your space without paint, dust, or power tools. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to make a change, this is it. Transform your space in a day. Fall in love with it for years. Bodaq, beautifully simple.